Next came the colonial period, 1917, 1947, where we had invasion by many rulers, and finally the British. Till the 18th century, Indian handicraft was famous internationally, but it started declining because we had the British invasion. And the attitude of British government was that they were selling the Indian products only to they were taking it to their home, and they were not willing to sell it in the world market. And heavy duty on import to England. So they posted heavy duty prices at the when they were shipped to other countries. So people literally stopped buying those goods abroad. And British made goods at low price. They used to produce goods at low price, and they used to sell at very high price abroad, so that they made huge amount of profit. And transport development access to British goods reached almost all areas. So they ensured that their country products were flooded throughout the world, but the what they produce locally, it is not being sold out in other countries. So they ensured that British goods were uh, available all over the world. Changes in the taste because of this dumping of British goods everywhere. People started having likening towards the foreign goods. They started crazy towards foreign goods. They started ignoring the locally produced items, and they refused to adopt changes by Indian handicrafts. So they were not able to change adopt the change which was imposed by the Indian handicrafts. And British mainly they started a company called East India Company, so they will export all the raw material from India and import all the finished goods to India. So they want literally destroy the local market. So they did everything, whatever is produced here, they will export it to England. They will finish the goods and they will import here and sell it with a huge margin. So by this way, they ensured that they had profit.